Hi, I'm going to show you how to fill out your informational summary for day 4. So this week, we read the story Dogs. This may not be the story that you're on, but this is just an example. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to find the main topic of the paragraph or the entire text. You're going to circle the one you are using today. So I'm going to come up here, click the arrow, and I am going to draw. I'm going to pick blue, and I'm going to circle paragraph today because I am just going to use this page today to find the main topic. So I need to come back up here. I can see it right there. It is page 82. So I'm going to put a text box in. I'm going to type 82. And I can make that number bigger. 18. Let's move it just a tad. I think I'm going to do a darker color so it stands out. There we go. All right. So we're going to come up here and look at this paragraph. It says, "Where does my dog live? My dog lives in the house with us. It sleeps on a special dog bed. Sometimes my dog sleeps in my room. It may even sleep on my bed." So now we have to decide what the main topic is. I'm going to put a text box in. And after reading that, I think the main topic is where a dog lives. I'm going to move over just a tad so it's right underneath main topic. And I want to make it just a little bit bigger. There we go. And I think I'm going to change the color. Let's change it to blue this time. Perfect. Now I have to look back up here in my text and find key details that support where a dog might live. So let's come here next. Let's put in a text box. And I remember up here at the top, it said that the dog sleeps on a special dog bed. So maybe he has a dog bed. Maybe we better add that special word in there. Special dog bed. Now let's add another text box right here. It said sometimes he sleeps in his owner's bed. So a dog may sleep in his owner's bed. And then it also said the dog may sleep in your room, and he also lives in the house with the people that own him. So I'm going to put the dog may sleep in the same room as his owner. Let's change this so that it's a complete sentence instead of just special dog bed. There. So now it says the dog may sleep in a special dog bed. A dog may sleep in his owner's bed. The dog may sleep in the same room as his owner. So this is telling us all the places where a dog may live. Now down here we have to put it all together and write a summary. So I'm going to add my last text box. Oops. I'm going to make this text box large so I can fit all my words in. So let's start out with our main topic, where a dog lives. and I'm going to put it as a question mark. Where does a dog live? A dog may sleep in the same room as his owner. He may have his own special bed to sleep in. A dog sometimes will sleep in the same bed as his owner. So I think I have my summary complete now. Let's look at it. Where does a dog live? A dog may sleep in the same room as his owner. He may have his own special bed to sleep in. A dog sometimes will sleep in the same bed as his owner. Hopefully that covered all of my key details. I'm looking back, and I think it does. So I have my summary now, and it's all complete. So all I have to do last is come up here where it says submit, and it will send it directly to my teacher. Great job.